Hi darlings, a warm welcome to you all. Welcome to my kitchen where homemade dishes are made simple. If you enjoy chilies or chili dip, then this recipe is just for you. In this video, we are going to make green chili or pepper sauce. This dip is made using different ingredients and seasonings. I will be explaining its use as well as list them in the description with its measurements. I will start off by chopping up my green bell peppers. So here I have 3 of them, and I will now go ahead and deseed them. This simply means to get rid of the seeds. Since it's a green spicy dip recipe, you want to use green bell peppers, okay? The bell peppers will give the dip its volume and sweetness. So once it's nicely chopped up, I will transfer it into my bowl. For this recipe, I am going to use a bunch of scallions. So adding the scallions will help flavor to the dip. What I will do is to cut off the root ends and cut it into smaller pieces. Next, I have 1 red onion, which I will cut into chunks. In case you don't have red onions, it's fine. You can also use brown ones, okay? For this dip, I will be working with diverse chilies. These are green chilies. For more spice, I will use 1 green finger chili. Ginger is a must for this dip. I will go ahead and cut it into smaller chunks so it's easier to blend later on. Use of the ginger will add a slightly spicy taste to the dip. If you have been on this channel for a while, you will know that I love me some spicy food, and so more chilies is a must for me. And then I will go in with my garlic cloves. Now this is optional to use. This is 1 fresh pack of basil, which I got from the supermarket. It will add a distinctive flavor to the sauce. So as you can see, here I have all the ingredients for the dip in my bowl. The next step is to blend them into a smooth consistency. Let's transfer the ingredients into the blender. For it to blend with ease, I will use olive oil instead of using water. The use of water will prolong the cooking process of the dip. So you want to blend this into a smooth consistency. Once it's smoothly blended, I will add 1 cup of olive oil in my pot and add the blended mix. You want to stir till it's well combined and cook or fry it on medium-low heat to prevent it from burning. So allow it to simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes or till the oil has risen to the surface of the pot and it's cooked well. Stir occasionally so it doesn't stick at the bottom of the pot. It's time to season the dip. I will use half a teaspoon of curry powder, chili and garlic seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of shrimp powder for an umami flavor. Once I've added my seasonings, I will mix till it's well combined. So I will go ahead and add a bit more of seasonings. So I just went in with 4 shrimp cubes, And then I will go in with half a tablespoon of salt. Let's mix till it's well combined. After you've added your seasonings, allow the sauce or dip to simmer for about 6 to 7 minutes. As you can see, this is the outcome of the dip. Isn't it gorgeous? It's ready. It can be used as a dipping sauce, marinade, base for your fish or protein. Enjoy it with different recipes. So as you can see, I have enjoyed it with jollof rice, fried yam, banku. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.